Hey guys, this is Yami Goku. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see this here, I'm unboxing the new helmet for my Chi Chi. So people who don't know the reference of Chi Chi, so Chi Chi is Goku's wife in the Dragon Ball Z anime series. So yes, this is for my wifey. Let me show you what I picked up for her. Guys, AXOR is... I didn't expect AXOR to be this crazy. I've always heard about AXOR but never purchased till now, and this time I purchased finally. You can see the color combination. I love the graphics on this. And this has a lot of features. It has anti-scratch, anti-fog, pin lock system. And then it also has a space for Bluetooth connectability. So it has a compatible Bluetooth feature. If we can put that, the Sega and the other series. And the best part of the visor, this has a sunrise visor. So if you see here, there's a switch which comes out like this. So it's easy to access compared to other helmets. Even my AGV doesn't have this feature. This is crazy. Usually track bikes don't have the sun visor. So since this is not a track bike, like a tourer helmet, this has a sun visor or the sunglasses inside. What do you guys think if this helmet is good or not? And you know what? The best part, it comes with an additional spoiler. So this is a detachable spoiler. In case if this is too big, you can put a small one over here. Let me try next time. Finally, guys, crazy. So I can go for rides. So I think there'll be two guys on any Yamaha. If you spot two people on a bike with Goku jackets, then blindly you can get to know that it is me and my wife. So Goku and Chi Chi traveling. Let me remove all the stickers. I hope Chi Chi doesn't get mad. Yeah, so it's clearly written it's only using for daytime. Yeah, it's better. All you guys taking a new helmet, please do not forget to remove the sun visor before use. This film protection. Oh, it's so beautiful. That feeling when you remove the sticker. Then this one, I think it's from inside or outside, I'm not sure. Oh, it's from outside. That feel, nice. It's so smooth. So this is the anti-fog visor. So there's a sticker from like inside which we have to remove. Let me see how it can be done. Lol, I didn't give a chance for my wife to remove these stickers. Sweet. Ta-da! Now ready to use. Let me think of attaching another GoPro here so that you guys can get a pillion ride view also. And guys, yeah, so this is a DOT certified helmet, and this is additionally with ISI certification, where now people can sell this helmets in India. Now you don't get the AGVs, Bell, and the other international racing helmets because of only the DOT certification. India requires ISI also, so that's a sad news for all us bike lovers. This has a racer edition, this is called. Okay then, hope to all see you soon in the next video. If you guys like the videos, just subscribe and like. Thank you. See you soon.